Today is Thursday, August the 6th, and what we're going to show here is how the board works when it's configured for a voltage feedback of 0 to 4 volts and a current feedback of 0 to 1 volts. What we're basically done is we're going to have an ISO-2 with not a 1200 board but a 6100 board. We don't have a 6-phase, we only have a 3-phase 6 SCR rectifier, and instead of connecting the shunt, we have a set of 2 resistors across the load over here, sized to get 1 volt DC of current feedback. So we have 0 to 4 on the voltage, 0 to 1 on the current. Before that, we've taken an ISO-2 board standard, and we've gone over note number 3 on the back of the general purpose schematic, and we configure the board for 0 to 1 volt input of current feedback, which basically is we've jumpered R16, we've omitted CR1 and CR2, and R6, the potentiometer, is not installed. So with this, what we have now is with this meter we are monitoring the AC input, which is 240. The output of the DC bridge, 3-phase 6 poles, is 320. Just varying a little bit, 320 volts DC. The voltage feedback, probably acting up on this meter, 321. The voltage feedback, the maximum voltage feedback is 3.88 volts, and the maximum current feedback is 1.06. The maximum sig high out of our regulator going into the firing board is 6.17 volts. And what I'm going to show here is that, yes, we have 1 volt coming in between J1 positions 3 and 4. Now I'm going to show what the voltage is at the input of U2. So I'm going to go from R16 with respect to position 4 of J1, which we can measure at J1 on the negative lead and measure where the R16 is a jumper, because that's the input of U2 pin 1. And basically what we have now, this voltage right here, it's what's going into J1, and this is the voltage going into U2 position 1, and we notice that it's 1 volt. This is the end of the first part of this video.